Bro, man, this video is good, bro. Stop, man. See what he's doing now. Hey. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, look at that. Ah. Really? That's too impossible, man. It's too impossible, man. Can't lie. Too impossible. See what he's doing now.
It's probably your hand desperate.
Hey.
Hi.
Oh, God. Oh, my God.
Jesus is Lord!
Oh, look at that.
What's wrong with this?
Really?
So you're telling me this
That's too
boy
impossible, man.
didn't flush the toilet? How come this boy cannot flush the toilet? And he's
I'm not too much.
18 years old. That boy is an adult. And this boy does not know how to flush the toilet.
Zoé!
Hello, sir. What you do?
Okay, shut up there. Hello, good day. Fresh flamingo. What you doing now? Why you laughing up there? As if they hurt you.
I'm not too much.
Watching a video off from YouTube, sir.
A video? What stupid video are you watching?
Not too much. Comedy videos I'm watching. Like, it's actually making me very, very loud.
Comedy video. That's what you love. You should be laughing like as if a monkey from around on the tree. That's you.
Also, I'm sorry, sir.
You better be. Because there I'll give you a tremendous slap across your face there. So, okay. Put that aside. Yeah.
You will end up in McDonald's.
On the toilet. Yeah. When I went to the toilet, how comes you left the wheel over there?
What? What's that you talking about, Papa?
What are you talking about? Huh? What are you talking about? You asking me that question? Huh? You know feel so that you left the wheel on the toilet. Huh? So your own man don't have the mind to flush that toilet there. Huh? You disgusting me. As soon as I approach that toilet here, you disgusting me. Why don't you have the full you can use the whole of your mentality to flush that toilet?
I'm extremely sorry, sir.
I'm so sorry. That's you. See, this is the problem with you recently. This is the problem with you. This is the great issue with you. You cannot follow simple instructions. Every instruction that I told you, you cannot follow that. That's the thing with you. How come you can't do simple things?
Because
You are a failure.
sir.
Then you flushed it. So how come as soon as I went there, you didn't flush the toilet? You left wheel all over.
Because my man was not there.
Your man wasn't there. So now you're making your own excuse now. Huh? So if a guest came over and then they asked me what was the toilet, and then you left me there, huh? You disgrace me. They'll give our guests no same company at all. You won't give any company to our guests.
Come on, Papa. It's not even
What?
How fast do we hear of this?
Your answer? Say it's not that serious. Is that what you said? You said it wasn't that serious. Hey! I'm sorry, please. Not again. I'll not start again, I swear. I'll be quiet there.
No.
I said I'm sorry. That slap wasn't quite serious. Noses boy. Hey, what's that? Someone that's serious there. I think that everything in life is no problem to you. If you repeat that statement one more time, I'll kill you to stupor. Foolish boy.